Hello children, welcome to class 6. I will teach you biology. The first chapter we have is about the plant life. Here we will know about the plants, that how they play an important part in our lives. As learnt in the previous classes, there exists a variety of plants on earth. Plants vary in size from microscopic to a complex tall trees. Most of the tall trees belong to higher plants. Herbs, shrubs also constitute a large proportion of higher plants. We have already learned, children, and familiar with the parts of the plants. That is, root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seed. And we all know about their functions. This topic aims at enabling us to know and learn more about the leaf, flower, and fruit, including their arrangement, characteristics, and functions of the part of the leaf and flower. And there are so many kinds of leaves. They are modified into different shapes and sizes to perform different functions. Here we know about the external structure. By seeing it, we'll know that it is a leaf. We'll know that there are so many kinds of leaves. Some are simple, some are compound. There are types of venations present in the leaves. Some are reticulate, some are parallel. Then there are so many functions performed by leaves. We'll know about some important functions and some additional functions that the leaf also perform. The leaves have been shaped in different manner. Some like tendrils, some like spines, some like scales. Then there are some insectivorous plants. About them also we have to study. So, the first chapter, the first part is about the leaf. Here, what is the main function of leaf, children? The main function of leaf is to synthesize food for the whole plant. Why? How are they able to synthesize? Synthesize means manufacture. Okay, in their cells, they have minute cells. And that is called as the kitchen of the plant. We prepare our food in the kitchen, no? So like that, the leaves have chlorophyll. This is the green color. We call them green pigment. Okay, so they are called chlorophyll. And it is because of the chlorophyll that helps the leaves to perform this function. With the help of carbon dioxide from the air, with the help of solar energy, and the water that is absorbed by the root, all comes and gets collected in the leaves. And there, each and every cell is able to synthesize and cook the food for the plant. So, the leaves' main function is to synthesize food. So how is the food synthesized? It is in chemical process. And the process is called as photosynthesis. So what is the meaning of photo? Photo means in the presence of light. What light we are using? We are using sunlight. From sun we are getting lots and lots of energy. That is called as solar energy. And here I told you about the chlorophyll. So it is the green color. that traps, captures the solar energy. It is their work to capture the solar energy. Carbon dioxide enters through the stomata, the holes, the minute holes on the surface of the leaf, and then water is already there. So, by using them, the food is prepared. And do you know what is the name of that food? That is simple sugar called as glucose. So, we are going to study about other functions. First, before the functions, let us know about the structure of the leaf. So, in the book, you'll get the diagram. It is a leaf is having a broad and flattened blade called lamina. That is also having a base, leaf base, where we call the stalk. We have got, and that is attached to the twig or the branch. Okay, and that is with the help of stalk. Then at the end, the leaf size, it tapers to one end, and that is called as the tip of the leaf. It is called as leaf apex. Now, when you just hold a leaf in front of you and see it through it, you will see some lines in them. They are the lines of the veins, the way they are arranged. So some veins, children, are parallel to each other. You know what is parallel? They run straight without meeting at each other. They run parallel this way, like the rail lines run, no. So they do not meet. And there are some reticulate venation, like network. They have so many branches of network. So these are veins. So there are two types of venation found in the leaves. One is reticulate venation. Mostly we find them in the mango tree, hibiscus tree, guava tree. That means in these leaves. And then parallel venation is found on the leaves of maize, rice, grass. Okay. And then we come on the type of leaves. Now I'll name you two types. One is the full leaf of rose and a leaf of mango. Now what is the difference? You have noticed that a mango leaf has got one midrib which runs right from the stalk to the apex. And beside that, they have small network, and that is reticulate venation. So one leaf blade having one midrib in the middle is called as a simple leaf. But see the leaf of rose, of neem, one leaf blade, but that leaf blade is branched into so many different other veins. And in those veins there are small leaflets, small leaves. But the leaf stalk is one. And there are many small leaves attached to one midrib. So they are compound leaves. So again we'll study about the arrangement of leaves on the stalk. Like in mango, guava, in one stalk, if one leaf comes this side, the other leaves come in the opposite side, but alternatively. In the same node, the leaf doesn't bear. So, there is alternate type of arrangement, but there is opposite also. See, in the same node, one leaf is here, the other leaf is here. So that is opposite type of arrangement. Then we have whorl. In one node, there are 4 or 5 leaves arranged like a circular form. So there are mainly 3 types of arrangement on one twig. First is alternate. second is opposite, and third is world. So these arrangement of leaves on the twig or the stem is called as phyllotaxy. Okay? Thank you.